So you may have just picked up a pair of these Shokz headphones and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to use them. Now these are very, very cool type of headphones. There's nothing super crazy going on here, but I'll show you a quick introduction on exactly how to use these particular headphones. Number one, they come out in a couple different variants. These are the Swim Pros, but they also have other variations, ones that are similar to your earpods or AirPods as well. Looking around these, you can see this is the portion that goes behind your neck. So this is the part that goes behind your head. These are the things that basically go over your ears. So these are the portions there. On the right side, you can see we have this little Shokz option right here. There's a little LED light indicator that also shows up right here, and you have a microphone hole right there as well. On the other side, so the left side technically, you're going to have kind of the same type of layout. No microphone hole here, but you do have this button. This button allows you to pause and play songs, you can skip songs, accept phone calls, things like that from this particular button. So that is kind of a cool thing that you have right there. On the bottom portion, you have a couple of things going on here. You have a volume up and volume down button on the right side. So this button, the volume down button, is a volume down button. You can go and hold it down if you want to lower the volume of a song, things like that. The volume up button allows you to go through and not only increase the volume, but it doubles as a power button and a pairing button. So if you want to power this thing on for the first time, you can hold down on this button to go through and basically power up the headphones, or you can go through and also just power it down if you just want to by holding down this particular button. This little area right here is a little charging port. So that port allows you to go through and allows you to basically charge up your particular headphones. So the charger comes inside of the box. It basically looks something like this. And all you're going to have to do here is you can go through and basically place this thing right on top of the charger. So just like this, you can plug this thing right on top of the charger like this. It's a little magnet thing. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. At that point, you can go through and charge up your headphones. And it really is a pretty basic process. And that's how you do it. After that, these are just like pretty normal headphones. There's not really anything else super crazy going on here. And that's kind of how you use your particular Shokz headphones. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.